Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Sierra AT4 branded door cards, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. We do have the push button 4x4 system as well as our driving modes, trailer mode, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster as well. We have push button ignition, a super large 13.4-inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated ventilated seating, automatic shifter knob in the center. You do have your trailer tow package. We have your integrated trailer braking with your trailer tow package, your dual zone glove boxes, Bose performance audio, and leather heated and ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, Duramax turbo diesel plaque. The AT4 does come with the factory installed 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. We have the AT4 branded. We have the brand new headlights, GMC badging, red recovery hooks with the fog lights. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows and remote start equipped. Crew cab truck, regular box. We have the color matched rear bumper. You have the red LED brake lights. We have dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, sliding rear window defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting and single pane sunroof. We have 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, and rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.